When the doors opened for the 9th Infrarail, over 200 exhibitors from 17 countries were on hand to show visitors the latest in railway infrastructure innovation. The Minister of State for Transport, the Right Honourable Teresa Villiers MP, spent the morning at the show, taking time to meet a wide variety of exhibitors and to deliver the keynote presentation.
I mean, we all know that economic conditions are difficult for UK manufacturing, but I think there's genuinely a real buzz in the hall today. We can all hear it, which I hope does reflect a wider move of some real optimism in the rail sector. From engineering and technology companies to suppliers and service providers, from passenger and freight operators to the sort of infrastructure specialists that are exhibiting today, all stand to benefit from the rail modernisation programme that the government's taking forward.
So I'm here with Jeremy Canfield, Director General of the Railway Industry Association. So Jeremy, tell me, you said this morning that you were struggling to have yourself heard in your opening address over the noise of the show. It's quite busy, I see.
It's very busy, and it was actually a really nice problem to have because there's obviously a good PA system there, but it was quite difficult to hear because there's so much business going on in this hall, or at least a great deal of conversation going on, which hopefully in this setting means the same thing.
I mean, you mentioned also that in 2010, a survey of your members revealed a lack of confidence in the sector, and that appears to have reversed. Would you say that's borne out by what you can see here at the show today?
Very much so, by the number of visitors here. Earlier this morning, it was quite difficult to work your way through the main corridor, just on my side here. It's very interesting on the first day of a show to have as many people as we're seeing here today. It's great. It's a symptom of how busy and active the industry is.
Why is it important to you to bring a 26-ton vehicle to Infrarail?
We have decided to bring this current vehicle over from Germany to show to our potential customers, predominantly Network Rail is one of our biggest customers to date, just on what's on offer with this class of vehicle and its current potential options that's available for the 26-ton class and indeed the 18-ton class, advertising the Zweig rail drive system.
Well, I'm here with Will Wilson, VP Commercial at Inventis Rail. Will, please tell me about your stand here and your key elements of your presentation.
Well, here we're showing our capability from the basic stuff of putting a lope together, doing all the wiring, supplying all the kit that goes into it, to what we see behind us here, which is the latest emerging ERTMS technology that we will be producing for Network Rail on London Bridge, where we're actually taking technology to a new level in that we're taking the European standard and then put it into a driverless automated train operation mode as it goes through the Thames Link tunnel in order to get 24 trains per hour. So we're just trying to show our capability and talk to our expanding customer base.
So this morning you had the Minister come and visit your stand. Just tell me, what did she discuss with you?
She talked about emerging technologies, and she also picked up on the industry-wide issue of cable theft. Cable theft for signalling equipment obviously is a very serious issue because it means our equipment stops working. But one of the things she was particularly interested in what we're doing with what's called modular signalling, where we are actually taking the need for cable away and actually replacing it with fibre optic, which is an initiative that she had heard of from Network Rail, and we're pleased that she picked up on that.
Okay, this is Simon Crone at Topcon. Simon, this is your company's first visit to Infrarail. So tell me, what are you exhibiting here?
What we're exhibiting today is we do very highly accurate positioning instrumentation in the form of total stations or GPS. And we're also showing our rail trolley over there, which is also a very highly accurate tool for measuring the gauge and the cant of rail tracks.
Right, okay, so now this morning you had a visit from the Minister, and can you tell me, what did you talk about?
We talked about a few things. We talked about obviously the rail market being a growth market. That's one of the reasons why we're here. And I was quite happy to say we actually talked a little bit about GPS in terms of Galileo and when it would actually be available for us to use in Europe.
The first day concluded with a networking reception to give everyone a chance to relax. Infrarail continues for 2 more days, Wednesday the 2nd and Thursday the 3rd of May.